So basically, Leah started working as a receptionist to become one of the most influential real estate developers in Africa.
The houses you're looking at are built by a woman. Now you'll ask yourself, who is this woman? How did she build this? And where did she start from? This is the story of Leah Wambui. Leah is from Kenya and she grew up in an entrepreneur family. She learned most of her business skills from her aunt. When she just finished high school, she dropped out. Later on, she got her first job as a receptionist. After some time working as a receptionist, she decided to do something else. She started her own business in a small town distributing wine. Later on, she managed to save money to buy a car. When she got her first car, she would take a stock of wine and go to distribute from town to town. After doing that for some time, she decided to do something more. That's when she started negotiating to buy land. At first, she was not even taken seriously, but she kept on negotiating and paid little by little until she managed to buy 5 acres of land. After buying the land, she decided to do something crazy. Fortunately, she got a husband who is understanding, so they agreed on selling the house, some properties, plus their savings, and started building houses on the land. At first, she started with 10 houses. Her plan was to build at the same time sell. But it's not working. People are not buying because they think the location and the price do not match. Everyone told her that she cannot sell the houses, but she kept trying, she kept promoting. She even went to London to promote. But she came back without a single sale. Worse, she didn't even have money to pay her workers or to fuel her own car. She almost gave up. She started realizing that all these sacrifices and hard work that she made is now a waste. But she is a woman of faith. She never loses her faith. She kept praying days and nights. And that's when the unexpected happened. In the following week, she started selling, and the clients have paid more than 10 million shillings. From then, the rest is just history. She kept building and building till she nearly built 200 houses.
So basically, Leah started working as a receptionist to become one of the most influential real estate developers in Africa. How she made it? Well, there's one answer for this question. She got out of her comfort zone. She started as a receptionist. She said, you know what? That's not who I am. That's not what I want to become. She got out from there, started her own business, which is the unknown, taking the risk. And from then, every time she started feeling comfortable, she got out of the zone and go to the unknown. And of course, getting out of your comfortable zone is not always easy. You can face challenges. Just like Leah, when she bought the land, she started building her first 10 houses. People didn't want to buy. People told her that she cannot sell the houses. But she didn't believe in what people said because she knew what she has done. She knew where she was going. Her journey was so challenging and so inspiring. That's why I decided to share this with you guys. Thank you for watching. That's all for today. See you in the next video.